Okay, so the Pac-10 strategy. The idea is that we are trying to divide whole numbers with equal groups. So say, for example, we have, say we have 28 divided by 5. Okay, so 28 divided by 5. We're going to represent our number. So we have 20 and 8. So I need 8 ones. Sorry about the ruckus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 ones, right? So here I have 28. Now, the idea, if we're trying to, for example, ship these to a location, like say a store, okay, and we want to send this, all of these packages, say each one is a package, each unit is a package, you want to figure out, well, how many trucks will we need? Or, no, it's how many will fit on each truck. And since our divisor is 5, we're going to have 5 trucks. So I'm going to draw 5 trucks. Don't judge me. So that's 1 truck, 2, 3, right? Can I fit more over here? Let's see. 4 and 5. Okay, so I have 5 trucks and I need to get these shipments evenly onto each truck. So here I have obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will have 3 left over. Well, here's the thing, I can't take these 10s and put them onto 5 trucks. There's only 2 10s, right? So far I still have 3. I have 1 on each truck, and then I have 23 left. So I'm going to take one of my rods and break it into 10 units. So I'm replacing a rod. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to use this to help me out. Okay, so now I still have 23, just represented in a different way. So now I can add more. Let's see, maybe I can add like 2 more. So I'm going to use what I had left over. So I got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2. I'm going to have to do the same thing here, break it up. So I need 10, right? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's the equivalent to one of my rods. I'm switching it out. Okay, so now I can add maybe 2 more. So let's see, I got 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Alright, so that means I have 3 left over. I cannot evenly put another package on each truck. So that means that each truck is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each truck has 5 packages. And then I'm going to have a remainder of 3 packages left over. Now, if I were to do this, say for example, if we were doing something like 86 divided by 5 again, right? Our divisor is 5, so that means I need 5 trucks. So I got, once again, 1, I should have kept it, but you get it. 2, 2, 3, 4, oops, 5. Okay, so I got, and then I need to represent 86. So 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, and then I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, in this situation, I have 5 trucks, so I can fit a rod on each truck. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And I can fit a unit on each truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm left with 31. So I don't have enough to put a rod on each truck, one of these long packages. So I'm going to take these 3 10s and break them up into 1s. So I'm going to need 30, right? So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, so once again I have 30 and then 1. So let's see, I'm gonna try to put 4 on each truck. So add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means I can put another 2 on each truck. So 2, 2, 2, and 2. So that means that each truck would have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So each truck, since I put an equal amount on each truck, that means that I would have 17 on each truck, but then I'd have 1 package left over. So 17, remainder 1. So that is pack 10.